How to remove blackheads in your nose. Using natural home remedies. Exfoliate onto your nose with baking soda. Steam the face before you decide to use a scrub. Make an oatmeal scrub. Use a sugar scrub. Make use of a clay mask. Apply egg whites for your nose. Help make your own pore strips. Create a natural toner for the face. Stopping blackheads. Be familiar with the false myths around blackheads. Keep excess oil off the face. Clean your pillowcases at least one time per week. Keep the hair from your face and do not touch the face together with your hands. Never pick or squeeze your blackheads. Using professional products. Make use of a cleanser with salicylic acidity and glycolic acidity. Buy pore strips. Speak with a skin doctor about retinoids. Ask your skin doctor about microdermabrasion.